This is our second weekly review. This is the first week of May for Team Locked. Our group members are me, Johnny,
Hi.
and Chris. This week we focused mainly on CADing as we had finished the light sensor tutorial. And what I personally did for the CADing is I was working on the arm base and the arm that would lift our claw that Johnny and Chris are building. I used basically tutorial 7, but I had to modify it in parts and dimensions. And basically, I took the very basic idea of tutorial 7 and modified it completely for our needs. And I think I did a pretty good job. I have both sides mirrored over, and I'm ready to merge my part of the assembly with their part of the assembly. But I hope to have that accomplished sometime next week, although I'm not sure if they'll be completed by then.
Hi, my name's Jonathan. What I did this week was I started building the base of the part of the claw. So not the clawy part, just like the yeah, the housing, the rectangle at the bottom. And I worked on that for a while, creating the holes so that when the motor would fit in, using the measure tool, the electronic one, and on SolidWorks. And today I worked together, and me and Chris both finished our parts for the claw. We put them together in one assembly, and next week we are planning to put together that assembly, adding a few more parts, including the actual VEX motor itself, put that all together by mating them, and yeah, that should be good. Now, turning over to Christopher Hughes. He's a good person.
Alright, so this week I worked on the claw, specifically filleting it and putting the holes in it. And next week I hope that I will mate together my part with Jonathan's part, the neck of the claw, so we can eventually put that together to add it to, so we can add it to the other parts. Yeah, that's what I've been doing.